Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLoreanTECH, and in this video we're going to show you how to install a shock tower brace in the front suspension of your DeLorean. This one I picked up from DMOCO, but you can also get them from DeLorean Go and DeLorean Parts Northwest. The bar itself, sometimes referred to as a strut tower bar, but that's actually not the case for DeLorean. The DeLorean does not have struts in the front suspension. It uses a upper and lower control arm suspension with separate shock absorbers. Here's what you get in the kit from DMOCO. The shock tower bar itself, which is made out of aluminum, and it's got two Heim joints installed at the ends for fine-tuning the position of the bar. You also have a pair of these aluminum spacer bars and longer body mounting bolts. So you're going to need to remove your carpet kit to gain access to the location where the body mounting bolts are installed. Remove those with a 17mm socket. So once you get these removed, you'll actually be installing the spacer bars and the longer body mounting bolts in here. You won't need these bolts anymore. Here's the instructions that came with the kit. It was a very easy installation. Took hardly any time at all, and I think the benefits are definitely worth it. You're also going to want to clean out the area where we're going to install the spacer bars. You don't want any debris to come between that and the bottom of the spacer bar. So get a hold of your spacer bar. You're going to be inserting that in there and then taking a longer body mounting bolt and securing the shock tower bar over that. The reason why we're installing this is essentially to gain better handling of the car while driving. So this actually, the theory is that this improves cornering ability, reduces body flex, and you've got increased rigidity in the front suspension. So here's the longer body mounting bolt. It comes with two washers, a lock washer and a standard washer. You're going to want to take the shock tower bar itself and just place that over the spacer bars. And it's got a pretty low profile. It gets pretty close to the spare tire, but not too close to where you can't run the carpet underneath it. So get your body mounting bolts and install them. I like to have both body mounting bolts on before I tighten them down. So again, you'll be using a 17mm socket to tighten these down. According to the DMC workshop manual, you're going to want to tighten this to 23 pounds-feet of torque. Although the instructions here didn't say that, I had to research that myself. So here we are tightening down the body mounting bolts, which are actually mounted just to the inside of the tops of the shock towers. And that's actually a really good place to install any kind of front suspension brace like this, either shock tower or strut tower brace. Here's where they actually install underneath. So they're going through this body mount, and that's right next to the top of the shock tower. Next thing you're going to want to do is loosen up the lock nuts that are on either side of the bar. So what you're going to want to do here is, once these are loosened up, you're going to want to tighten the bar by hand so that the ends of the bar are being pulled toward the center of the car. And tighten that up. So here we are, tightening the bar by hand. And in order to hold that position, you're going to want to retighten the lock nuts. These ones require a 19mm wrench. And after this, you're essentially done. Take it out for a test drive, get an idea of what sort of improvement. When I first took it out, I did notice, it wasn't a tremendous improvement, but I did notice a slight improvement in cornering. I am able to take corners a little bit faster. I think this, in conjunction with a good suspension system, is really the way to go for the car. And here it is, installed. You can cut holes in your carpet kit in order to fit this in there, but I went ahead and I took the carpet and I just rolled it over the bar. DeLorean Parts Northwest has one that sits flat underneath the carpet so that it doesn't sort of protrude out, but as you can see, I'm able to get all my stuff in and didn't have any problems with space. So, and there's the shock tower rather, installed, and I really didn't have to sacrifice much in the way of space. So that was actually a great benefit. Anyway, that's the installation. Thanks for watching.